lots of actors all landing up at the spot. Padmaja and Vivek are at the spot. Padmaja and Vivek. Now, the judge asked Shinde, what is an abnormal circumstance? Shinde says evidence indicates the tire burst because it crashed into the shop. Reading this, it appears to me right now the prosecution is being forced to respond to the arguments made very aggressively by Salman Khan's lawyers. In fact, the prosecution is looking a little bit on the back foot, especially on the Kamal Khan issue. So as of now, inside that courtroom, Salman Khan's lawyers seem to have an apparent edge with the arguments that they put. How are you reading it, Padmaja and Vivek? This whole 4% theory
because we're still
and everything
waiting for them
else.
to exactly explain why Kamal Khan was not questioned. You know, they've said that we did not question him, it was our discretion, but we had other evidence at hand. But they're still trying, they still are to explain that what explains the absence of questioning of one person who could have been a key witness. After all, he's the only surviving witness. Ravindra Patil, like the defense has argued, is deceased, and Ashok Singh, who they claim was the fourth person in the car, is known to no one else except Kamal Khan. So perhaps if Kamal Khan had been called in, he would be the only person to tell the world whether Ashok Singh was there or not. Vivek?
Well, it is actually the prosecution's completely at their behest. Whom they want to bring in, whom they want to question, it's completely up to them. They initially could have always argued that we didn't think that Kamal Khan was a key person there because we had a watertight case. But how can you build a watertight case when one of the people who were present at the scene of the crime was actually not questioned? Well, these are questions that will be asked of the prosecution by the defense. And that is precisely what is happening. So the Ashok Singh theory, which has been propagating for the past 3-4 months, is being brought back again. Yes, there was a fourth person, Ashok Singh was on the wheel. That seems to be the angle which the defense counsel has been taking.
Interesting also that Justice Sikse also asked about this entire process of Salman Khan getting an extension in his bail day before yesterday was because his team had not been given an order copy on time. But Justice Sikse today saying, I got it at 6:30, why didn't you?
Well, that was one of the arguments that his party has, that the defense had said, that they didn't get the details.
One second, Vivek, very important, sorry to break in. The judge says, again I repeat, in an observation, just an observation, and you're looking at your phones, here's the update. The judge says to the public prosecutor, tell me the abnormal circumstances under which the suspension of sentence should not be given. He says to the public prosecutor, tell me the abnormal circumstances under which suspension of sentence could not be given, because you say in normal circumstances it is not done. The judge says, one second, the judge says it should not be that appeal should be decided leisurely and till then the accused should be asked to go on bail. The judge says surrender and then take bail.